Welcome to the ASP.NET WebForms step-by-step series designed specifically for absolute beginners who want to learn WebForms the right way from the ground up. In this series, you will master key topics like the WebForms page lifecycle, working with the server control, understanding code behind the structure, managing state, and accessing data using SQL. Whether you are a complete beginner, a student preparing for interviews, or a developer transitioning from other technologies, this series is perfect for you. Each video is hands-on with live code, practical examples, and project-based learning to help you apply what you learn instantly. Don't forget to subscribe to ASP NET and SQL Academy and turn on notifications so you never miss a video in this beginner-friendly WebForms series. Welcome to our detailed tutorial on the structure of WebForms pages. ASP.NET WebForms is a powerful framework that enables rapid development of dynamic web applications. It uses a visual designer, a rich set of server controls, and an event-driven programming model that simplifies development. Each WebForms page consists of two main files. The .aspx file contains all the user interface components, while the .aspx.cs file, also known as the code behind, contains the logic and behavior. The separation makes your project more organized and maintainable. The .aspx file contains the HTML layout of your page. It also includes ASP.NET server controls such as ASP text box, ASP grid view, which are rendered as HTML in the browser. Inline JavaScript and styles can also be defined here. The code behind file is where the application logic lives. This file contains a class that inherits from the ASP.NET page class. It includes event handlers like page load and button click and allows direct interaction with the server controls defined in the .aspx file. At the top of every .aspx file, you will see the @page directive. It tells the ASP.NET which class the page is linked to. The entire content is wrapped in a form tag with the runAt server, enabling the server-side controls to function properly. ASP.NET offers a rich set of server controls. ASP text box allows user input. ASP button triggers actions. ASP label display messages dynamically. ASP grid view helps display and interact with the tabular data from databases. The WebForms page lifecycle consists of multiple stages. Init for control initialization, load for loading data, post back to check if it is a repeat submission, pre-render for final modifications, and unload for cleanup. Proper handling of these stages ensure robust applications. One of WebForms' standout features is view state, which preserves the state of controls across postbacks. It is encrypted and embedded in the page's source, ensuring a seamless user experience. However, large view state can affect performance, so use it wisely. WebForms follows an event-driven model similar to Windows Forms. Events like click, text changed, and selected index changed are wired in the code behind, allowing you to respond to user interactions with ease. Here is a basic example. The .aspx file contains a text box and button control. In the .aspx.cs file, we handle the button login click event to validate the user credentials. This demonstrates the flow from UI to backend processing. Separating UI and logic offers many advantages. It allows designers to work on visuals while developers focus on functionality. This structure also simplifies maintenance and testing since concerns are decoupled. While web forms are powerful, they have limitations. Large view state can affect performance, and developers have less control over the final HTML. For modern JavaScript heavy applications or single page apps, newer frameworks like ASP.NET MVC or Razor Pages are better suited. To summarize, web forms use a clean separation between UI and logic via .aspx and .aspx.cs files. The event-driven model and server controls make it ideal for fast application development, especially for enterprise or internal applications. Thanks for joining us in this deep dive. In our upcoming videos, we will dive into data binding, grid view customization, and validation techniques in WebForms. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to stay updated with new content every week.